All right, you welcome back, and I still talk, but not forget, say, not be only us they talk on talk. You too, where they out there, you need to drink your mouth inside every. And to Twitter at Talk Wazobia, go and talk it your own for there. We need to continue on top things where we the carry take join body on top within the hot. And the next story where we get, we want travel go Obodo Yibo.
Gang.
Now, plenty people don't they talk. Say, Bruce Jenner will be Kardashian stepdad. He want change to woman, or he don't want change to woman, or he want stay as man. But now, according to reports that we get, see the picture. According to reports that we get, they say Bruce, they actually changed to woman.
See you see her.
Now we hear say this 65 years old former Olympian don't tell People's Magazine say yes, I am ready to change to a woman. And according to the report, we hear say the family members they actually support him. They say he's finally happy, and the family they accept and waiting they do. They say he did for inside better shape, and that's why it's perfect time to do something like this. Now waiting, according to the report we get, now waiting the family come outside talk, say, yes, we are solidly behind you, daddy. Change to a woman, put lipstick, put a ribbon, put everything. So the family, the Kardashian, the Kim, the Kanye, all of them, they support and say, go ahead and change to a woman. Now, ladies and gentlemen, what do you go do? Or rather, you go accept your papa if he decides to change the entire physique, the entire body to woman body. I don't know. It's a question. It's a question. It's a question.
Oui.
It's a question.
This is your question. It have gingered my anger. Which kind of question be that?
On a Monday morning.
On a Monday morning. You just spoil my mood.
It's just a question. You abandon your papa because say you want to change to woman. I don't understand you.
What won't make my papa think go left?
Because he's tired of being a man.
Yaba left is available.
He's 65 years old and he can do anything he wants.
Wait. Before he clocks 65, what did he mean they think? Before, chai. Oui.
What?
Oui.
What?
I don't tell you talk on top this matter. Be say I no go agree. Make my papa even think go that side. Say he want turn to woman because I go make sure say I first sit and down. Tell her say daddy. Fine boy.
And if you don't carry go good, you go enter you. So what if you can't decide? What if daddy decide say I want to change to woman? You go disown him.
You go disfather him.
Or you go decide
I want to take this father around.
And you go call her daddy now.
Wait now. When I follow my papa waka for road, they no go call my mama.
Yes, and you have two mommies.
What is my mama now?
But I have two mommies.
So you go accept them.
So you go accept them now.
I go say that my mama is.
You will continue.
Then you go accept them.
I go.
You go accept
I don't
them.
get choice.
Since in family just support, and this one they go sing go daddy go around the feet and change to mommy. I don't go like.
Mommy can decide to become daddy.
Daddy tomorrow.
You know, say the thing. I always tell people when they say something happen for Obodo Yibo, something happen we for Obodo Nigeria here go talk say we not fit do am. And the tell people say the wish wey they pursue them different from our own wish. Now true talk. Our own wish now hungry they catch am. When we say we the winship person, they collect money, they collect food. Who they give you money,
and collect everything.
You go winship and person where they supply you money before. Instead when you they pray, may they give you more. You go winship and make the person die. You know give you again. But to avoid their own wish now from man change to woman. For woman change to man, they take their own wings, do crazy things. Today you go see person baby say you want on Barbie doll, you know go chop 7 days, make it for like different differences. Well, Mr. Jenner, if na woman you want to now man don't tire you, congratulations. If to say you be beneath chief now, for say Agbogidi. But as you know, the thing funny me as well.
So what you go do if your papa change to woman?
Haba, my papa change. This one I mean, my papa change to woman. I go sit and down. As the process they go small. I go sit and I say, Daddy, waiting we do you. Now you go better answer. When we say you want to, waiting happen.
You should.
He go listen.
The Kardashian, you thought church they never sit and down. Say, Daddy, waiting we do you.
You know here say they do daddy go.
No. It takes time before they come outside now.
You know, because Kris Jenner herself sued People's Magazine first.
Yeah,
when they
that
first
time.
bring the picture.
Yes.
I think that was 2nd week of January. She sued them. Say why they go to embarrass the man like that. Then the man can talk. So if you watch their series continuously, the man can tell the man say, waiting concern you. Say you 2 days forward. Now everything now you see you like to go court. Leave them alone. With time they go know the truth. So maybe you don't can decide. say, okay, you won't come become the woman, really. But I say like Bernard talks, say the witch they follow them, say their own they different. But if my father for more bring a con Nigeria, say my father decide, say if you want become a man, a woman, I go actually accept my father. Because I like my father past my mom. I'm sorry, it's how they talk this thing. I really, really like my father. I don't see mistake when my father do. Even though they do wrong, even my other ones go say, no. Me not really see him as mistake. I just feel saying a way of life, things like that must happen. You know, if he get perfect. That's why. So, but if my father decides say one turn to man, he go give me reasons where me go feel defend myself outside. Say, yeah, he say one turn to man, so it's a woman, so what? Yeah, in 7 years experience, how they take they put makeup, they tongue our hair, they wear heels, and all those.
Well, they're proud of them.
To say if you experience,
just give me what I will fit take defend myself when we ask me questions. Say, nah, mommy be that.
But what if I say bring your daddy? Want to interview your daddy, and then
one woman just come.
You know they happy.
Okay, back to the question. We'll talk the number one. My parents, me.
Yeah.
You understand? Now back to that one. My father, now he don't live in life. And ma tell you, on Judgment Day, go answer God.
Yeah, go answer.
Waiting I go talk, they limited. They go, God fit call me. So you come weakness. On Tuesday, you call and answer. No. But now you go see behind cross.
If my papa, will be busy man, come tomorrow and tell me, say, oui, I want her to the wear with on, wear makeup. One light a lie. I go call Uselu. I go say, come and take my daddy. Something is wrong up there. Excuse me.
Yeah. After they treat and finish, when he say he don't do all right, he no can't tell you again. He can't go turn to woman, come house.
No, you carry and go back.
How shall you do?
You don't hold. You carry and go back.
The men when they say they want to wait woman, if they want wear with on, put makeup, put eyeshadow, get hips, get bobby, get bum. If to say they really want to know as woman they be, when they no go you get belly, face menstrual pain, all those kind of things. You know, say for China, they get one experiment they do for China. We be say some men come, young men, they say if you want as it be to carry belly, they get some kind of electrons where they connect to their body.
Yes.
They stop them small. If you see as they say this
they just make them feel as pregnancy they be the first week.
Just the cramp of pregnancy.
Yes.
They say this men, I see the picture, these men they cry for China. Like because they don't
I mean, they do call Nigeria now. Maybe we get some people who go decide that they won't give themselves belly.
They don't carry call Nigeria. Why they do like this?
Good, but let's see.
Amaka, there are some things you know which this country our problem plenty.
Nigerian men happy as women they carry the load, carry and go. But say make them come carry the kind belly.
No
excuse
way.
me.
Even though some get belly.
But that did not try them because if you try them, trust me, I go call them. I go call psychiatrist so they carry you go to Selu. They carry you go to the left immediately. For waiting now. But you got to that one.
What is doing you? Is this life?
See, let me
now, what in one using life? The remaining of the life.
Syndrome, now they do this man.
Yes, and you know the old age, yes. Even when my dad, before he passed, he couldn't do like baby. My dad fit just call you in the afternoon. Around follow. He say, I want to take pap. Huh?
Yes.
Pap, where we go get pap now? So we can't do and keep for as he just open fridge, see him, he no hungry am again.
Yes. Old age. Just
small things like baby, and them no understand that. They say, okay, leave and make you do what you want to do. The man don't they grow body.
It happen to
you. Don't they grow body. Now what happen to her?
They grow breast.
Anyway, put your mouth inside. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Tell us what you think about him. If your papa come tomorrow, say, come on. My daughter, my son. I have decided to change my body to a woman's body.
This one tire me.
You go tell and say, Daddy, go ahead. We are solidly behind Daddy. Go, Daddy.
Or you go
tell and say, Daddy,
Oh, so let me wait for you.
Put your mouth inside that Talk Wazobia for Twitter. All right, for this one, we'll go into our last story for the day before our motivational guest enter inside the studio. And this one concerns Shakira. My hips.
Oh, baby.
Shakira. Woo. Now, Shakira has welcomed a bouncing baby boy. Aww. Now, you go the one that say, Shakira don't born again. Yes, she has come and born again. Yes. This 37 years old Colombian singer and her football boyfriend will be Gerard Piqué. Say I pronounce that Piqué, yes. Gerard Piqué will be 27 years old. They don't welcome their second son for inside Barcelona hospital. Beautiful baby. This guy fine.
You get one thing.
This guy fine.
The guy now.
This guy fine.
Well, man, no look the guy. Man, look the
small. The guy want to resemble.
I don't even notice the guy and the Piqué.
Yeah, it's in Benato. I said
small. He nearly resemble me, but he not resemble me completely. Continue.
And as they talk, say this one at the second baby where she don't get with this at 27 years old football player. Now they thought say Shakira and Piqué say they be the date since 2010, and then they don't put hand for inside plenty betterment to make sure say children know everybody then they okay. Other one are with UNICEF. They don't took hand with UNICEF to make sure say they give children better health and better money to make mothers and even children they okay. But plenty people don't come outside. People for inside internet. This our internet people, they can frustrate people like. Now they don't come outside, they talk say, how 37 years old woman go they carry belle for 27 years old man? I mean, because in a footballer in be, people don't talk plenty things. But now we get man for inside with studio, because I know say we don't ask the question, say, as ladies, you go fit marry man where young pass you, where you senior. But today, all of us want to enter inside the shoes of the men. Because we have a man in our midst.
Yes,
Gang.
we go wear
So,
the shoe.
as men, you go fit marry woman where senior you.
First of all,
Man.
I don't know whether I don't see Shakira hips before.
For that hips, no age.
For that hips. I know they tell you lie. Shakira turned 50. She say, Bernard, I go wrong call. If Shakira turned 50, she say, Bernard jump. I say, how high? And they tell you. See, they get a super fight. You don't go look the age.
Yes, sir.
You don't tell me I don't get crush for Janet Jackson till today. Unfortunately, I come here and say, no, me, she they call me. She go marry, go meet one Arabian prince who get money. It's allowed. It's allowed. It's allowed. Anyway, the truth be say, I no go lie you. Before, when I was really younger, I've been they look and say, woman, senior man, why man do this, why man do that. But I don't grow so I don't get more sense. I don't get plenty sense. And the truth be say, when love there, I they tell you, age not to matter. I know person where they very close to me. In wife senior am. But if you know how many people they enjoy from that family, you know, unless it shows say the woman senior am, but you know, go even believe the way that they live. They don't born two children too, two beautiful looking children, a girl and a boy, and they are doing so very well. If you don't know, you go see and physically say this woman big past the man and everything, for you know go believe when you see the kind of happiness where they inside that home. Of course, people go they call it husband and wife, but man, the happiness it's too sweet, so they touch other people. So now we by age, and then of course, if the two of them they happy together, what's it be the wahala?
So you, Bernard, you go fit marry a woman where senior you.
I fit.
If the woman not be Shakira.
Even if you know, you go near Shakira.
But even if the woman one day, you never, as in your mind, no go one day say this woman fits, they take me as boy. As in, since you know mind.
See, all now understanding. The girl where man senior woman reach where we say the woman self go they holler and say, wait till they worry you.
Yeah, you know, so
So not by age. You go open eye for you like you to go humble. The woman go open eye, you go call her sister, and they tell you. So now love, I don't go lie you. Me, I don't say, well, these days mentality of men different. Now for all the men, if I want to slap me for us, if you catch me, go ahead. But I believe in love. Love the sweet. If you find the right person. I they tell you, when I senior you or no senior, you find the right person. Love the sweet too.
Now yeah, Bernard, they help me support my love ministry.
All right, you were there.
Thank you.
You were there. Tell us what you think. As man, we don't want women. Women not tell us any message. As man, you go fit marry woman where senior you. Tell us why. And you go fit marry woman where senior you. And if you not go fit, tell us why too.
half of the people go tweet you go say till she get money.
Yes, I believe so.
Now her money they go for.
All right, keep your tweets coming in. Let us see whether we embarrassed we be. When will they come back after this break?
Here you go.